Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about Python programming language. What is Python? Python is a currently most widely used multi-purpose high-level programming language. Python allows programs in object-oriented and procedure paradigms. Python programs generally are smaller than the other programming languages like Java. Programs have to be typed relatively. Python language is being used by almost all the tech giants companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, etc. Why Python? It is one of the best languages when learning to code. If you are new to the coding, you are hoping to get someone you know. Python is heavily used in Internet of Things with the rise of Internet of Things small to lower devices. Python is instrumental in data science and AI are arguable the areas where the find Python is most are data science AI. Python is versatile for web development. History of Python. Python was conceived in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum at Centrum Beschikten in Netherlands as a success to the programming ABC programming language, which was developed in set capable of executing, handling, and interacting with the embeddable operating system. Its implementation began in December 1989. Van Rossum should hold sole response for the project as the lead developer until 2018. Sorry, when he announced his permanent vacation from his responsibility as Python Benevent Dictionary for File, as a little of Python community bestowed upon him to reflect his long-term commitment as the project chief decision maker in January 2009. Active Python core developer selected a five-member steering council to lead the project. It is the history of the Python. The latest version available in Python is 3.10. Python is dynamic programming language. Dynamic programming is an algorithm technique for solving the optimization problem by breaking it down into smaller sub problems and utilize the fact that the optimized solution to overall problems depends upon the optimized solution to the sub problems. Python is dynamic programming language. The programming executes each line how to recognize the DBA program, identify the problem variables, clearly express the recursion relationship, identify the base cases, decide if you want to implement the iteratively recursively, and memorization determine the time complexity. Why is general Python is general language? Python is a popular computer programming language used to create software and websites, automation processes, and analysis data. Python is general purpose language, which means it may be used to make many various types of application, and tailored for any it is not tiled for any particular issues. It is adaptability and beginners friendly have evaluated to the top of list of the programming language in use today. According to Redmonk study of industry analysis, it was the second most popular programming language among developers in 2022. Python Software Foundation. The Python Software Foundation is an American non-profit organization devoted to the Python programming language. In 2005, the Software Foundation received the Computerized Horizon Award. This is the where Python programs are developers or PSF. Python implementation. An implementation is a Python should be taken means a program for environment which provides support for the execution of the program written in the Python language. As represented by the C Python reference, the default implementation of the Python programming language in C Python. As the name suggests, C Python is written in C language, like JPython and IronPython, other implementation. Python application. Python is a highly versatile. You can use it for both small and complex tasks across many different industries. From its more common application in data science and software engineering environment like mobile app development, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. The following are the some of the applications of Python. Web development. Python can be used to make web applications at rapid rate. Game development. Python is also used in development of interactive games. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualization, desktop graphical user interface, and web scraping applications, business applications, CAD applications. Yeah, these are the frameworks which are used in development like Django, Flask, WebPy, CherryPy, Tornado, Portal, CorPy. These are the frameworks which supports by Python for web development. The Python libraries are data science need to know pandas, numpy, scipy, scrapy, matlab, seaborn, scikit-learn, tensorflow, scikit-image, librosa. These are the some of the data scientists use this kind of libraries. Python versions. PSF is updating Python versions from 1991, where video one RAMs are initiated. Latest version is available in 3.24. Like this, these are the versions available in um, freely. Python in real-time industry. Ever since it was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, Python has evolved and adapted to new technologies, and today it is one of the most popular programming language. The use of Python in different areas can be attributed to the simplicity of syntax, scalability, being in open source object oriented, and easy to learn programs language. Let us know more about use of Python in the real world, which was made is language popular to code today, especially those field of artificial intelligence and data science. The following are the some of the applications of Python. Machine learning. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are the center of the attention to because the produce the most prominent, promising future careers. We teach the computer to learn based on the previous experience stored in the data, or we create algorithms to teach the computer to learn on its own. What is the most popular programming language? Python is the name why support for this domain is ra- already available through the libraries such as Pandas, Scikit-learn, NumPy, and many other. Python supports many libraries which whatnot data science. We are all aware that the data science is one of the most desirable skills in the market. Data science knowledge is a high demand, whether in IT, manufacturing, or e-commerce. Python comes into the play here. It numerous libraries such as Pandas, TensorFlow, NumPy, others, and in the extraction of valuable information from data. Libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn allows you, data scientists, to focus on data visualization through the graphs and charts. It is not an exaggeration to say Python is the first thing any data scientist professional should learn. Abdul, famously known that go to the programming language, development of Python is an implementation of Python using Django, Flask. These are the frameworks which supports the web development. Web scraping. It refers to the scraping huge quantities data, extracting customers information to make the profitable decisions. Tools like Python request, Selenium, Machine are the tanks for to Python availability. Like other developments in Python are using game development. Some of the libraries are PyCara, PyPy, OpenG, Kiwi, and Panda 3D. These are the software development and one of the primary Python development using Python developers build the control the testing desktop use. One of the top of the use of Python is developing the desktop GUI operating system. Python is powerful language to use C. Enterprise applications. Enterprise applications are used to serve the needs of the organization other than the individual users. Education. One of the other implementations using Python is in developing online courses and education program. It is an easy to learn programming language for beginners since it is syntax metal. It refers to a noise standard library and a variety of resources to understand the language, thus making the learning curve easier. This is one of the main reasons Python is preferred programming language for beginners for the education programs development at both basic and advanced levels. Wish you all the best. Thank you all.